Framework Computer is remaking consumer electronics by building great laptops that respect both people and the planet. When we first started talking to Dimerco, we had just launched our first product in the US and Canada, and we wanted to grow our international reach. We did not have a way to do that, so we reached out to Dimerco, shared our business goals of extending our reach internationally, and Dimerco quickly put together an aggressive onboarding plan that allowed us to start shipping within months. One of the challenges of having a highly customizable product is that there are an infinite number of item combinations that a customer can order. This makes for a fairly high-touch pack-out process. The care and detail with which the Dimerco team handles each of our individual orders has made thousands of customers so happy. Another challenge of having a highly customizable product is that the export declaration can have thousands of line items on it. Dimerco actually created a tool for us to consolidate hundreds of orders into one file, which made the export declaration process extremely efficient. One of the label requirements of our parcel carriers was slowing down warehouse operations, so the team at Dimerco explored multiple solutions for us and ultimately ended up building out an entirely new integration that transformed the label process that once took 30 minutes down to the press of a button. One of the benefits of working with Dimerco Taiwan is the close proximity to our Asia-based suppliers. This means that sometimes we can ship products to customers only 2 days after they're made. There are definitely cash flow benefits for Framework that come from working with the Dimerco warehouse in the free trade zone. For some of our long lead parts where we might have to hold longer weeks of supply, we're able to defer those taxes until the time that we actually sell them to a customer. Culturally, the Dimerco team has been a really great partner for us. Rather than trying to fit us into the traditional 3PL model, they listen to our specific challenges and goals and come up with solutions that work for our business. Since the beginning of the Framework-Dimerco partnership, Framework's volumes have doubled year over year, and Dimerco has made the investments to keep up with that growth. We're not ready to stop there, and it's great to have a scalable partner that will enable us to continue on that growth trajectory.